Some messes are worth making, especially when you're not the one cleaning them up. Meet Vacmaster REi, the clean that runs itself. Using intelligent LiDAR navigation, it maps your home for a precise, systematic clean, while powerful 4,000 Pascal suction lifts dust, debris, and hair. It adapts as it goes, cleaning around furniture and into the places you don't usually reach. From room to room, carpets to hard floors, every clean is tailored around your home. When it's finished, it empties itself, recharges, and waits, ready for next time. Leaving you free to just enjoy your day.